develop and acquire the skills of determining the area of a polygon in the field using tape by dividing the area into triangles. Let's start! Instruments and accessories. Range pole, measuring tape, marking pins or chalk, and plumb bob. Procedure A. The instructor assigns the locations of the 5 points in the field, and the students will mark these points with marking pins or chalk. Name these points, which will serve as the corners of the polygon, as A, B, C, D, and E. The chief of party then divides the polygon into 3 triangles by taking into consideration that the divisions should be easily measured. Name the triangles as A1, A2, and A3. Any side of the first triangle will be measured using tape and designate this as the base of the triangle. In this fieldwork, side AC was chosen as the base of the triangle. Measure the length of the altitude of the first triangle and note that the altitude of the triangle is perpendicular to the base. Record the length of the base and altitude on table 3.1, area of determination by base and altitude. To get the area of the triangle, divide the product of the base and altitude to 2. Repeat steps 3 to 5 for the chosen second and third triangles of the polygon. Record the data of all the triangles, and to determine the whole area of the polygon, take the summation of areas of A1, A2, and A3. Procedure B. The same field described in Procedure A will be used for this method, but change the designations on the corners. Use F, G, H, I, and J instead of A, B, C, D, and E. The chief of party divides the polygon into 3 triangles and measure any 2 sides of the first triangle chosen and record these measurements as sides A and B. Determine the included angle between sides A and B and record this on the table provided. Repeat steps 3 to 4 for the chosen second and third triangles of the polygon. To get the area of the triangle, divide the product of side A, side B, and sine of the included angle to 1/2. And to determine the whole area of the polygon, take the summation of areas of A1, A2, and A3. Procedure C. The same field described in Procedure A will be used for this method, but change the designations on the corners. Use K, L, M, N, and O instead of A, B, C, D, and E, or the former letters F, G, H, I, and J. Again, divide the polygon into 3 triangles and name those triangles as A1, A2, and A3. Measure all the sides of the first triangle chosen and record these measurements as sides A, B, and C on the table provided. Determine the semi-perimeter of the first triangle by multiplying the perimeter of the triangle by 1/2. So here's the formula of the semi-perimeter. Just divide the sum of side A, side B, and side C to 2. To determine the area of the triangle, Substitute the values of the semi-perimeter side A, side B, and side C to equation number 4 or the Heron's formula. Repeat the third and fourth step for the chosen second and third triangles of the polygon. To determine the whole area of the polygon, take the summation of areas of A1, A2, and A3. And that's all for area determination of polygonal field using tape.